Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to enhance your writing style in Notion. Elevate your writing with style in Notion as we explore the essential techniques to make your text visually engaging and expressive. Notion offers a comprehensive set of text styling tools akin to those found in traditional word processors, and then some. To access these features, simply highlight your text to reveal the editing menu. Choose from three distinct typography styles to suit your writing mood: default, serif, or mono. Just click the three dots icon at the upper right of your page and select your preferred style. To adjust text size, head to the three dots menu and enable small text. Enhance readability and presentation by minimizing margins and expanding your content area. Click three dots at the top right of your Notion window and activate full width. With these straightforward techniques, you can effortlessly imbue your writing with a touch of elegance and personality. For more advanced styling and customization process, don't forget to explore further resources. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.